Discover 50 must-have kitchen gadgets that will completely transform the way you cook. From smart tools to space-saving innovations, these genius kitchen finds are perfect for home chefs looking to save time, boost efficiency, and enjoy cooking like never before. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these game-changing gadgets will upgrade your kitchen experience. Watch now to find your next favorite tool. Product 1. Product name: Cactus Sink Drain Strainer. The Cactus Sink Drain Strainer by Hunedak is a cleverly designed kitchen accessory that combines functionality with fun, shaped like a cactus to add a touch of personality to your sink area. This two-piece set features a multifunctional lifting catcher and stopper net, making it ideal for collecting food scraps and kitchen waste efficiently. Each unit includes an automatic pressing and dumping mechanism, allowing for easy disposal without direct contact with waste. The plastic construction ensures durability while remaining lightweight and easy to clean. Its liftable design simplifies the removal of trapped debris, and the built-in filtration net prevents clogging by capturing particles before they enter the drain. Perfect for everyday kitchen use, this sink filter basket helps maintain a cleaner and more hygienic sink, reducing the risk of blocked drains. Product 2. Product name: Multifuel Portable Camping Stove. The 54,500 BTU Multifuel Portable Camping Stove is a powerhouse outdoor cooking solution designed for serious adventurers, campers, and emergency preparedness. With a massive heat output of 16,000 watts, 54,500 BTU, this collapsible stove delivers rapid heating and efficient cooking performance, ideal for everything from boiling water to preparing full meals off-grid. Key features include multi-fuel capability, compatible with various fuel types, including butane, propane, and isobutane, making it highly versatile for different regions and fuel availability. Collapsible and portable, its foldable design and included carrying case make it compact and easy to transport, perfect for backpacking, camping, or bug-out kits. Windproof burner, engineered with a wind-resistant design to maintain flame stability in harsh outdoor conditions, ensuring consistent cooking. Fuel canister adapter, enhances compatibility and ease of use with different canister types. Heavy-duty build, rugged construction ensures durability for long-term use in diverse outdoor environments. Product 3. Product name: Sliding Pizza Peel. A sliding pizza peel is a must-have tool for home bakers and pizza enthusiasts, especially those who value precision and convenience in the kitchen. The sliding pizza peel 12-inch model you're referring to combines premium materials and smart design to simplify pizza transfer to and from a hot oven or pizza stone. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, the metal pizza board measures 14.9 inches by 12.6 inches, offering a sturdy and heat-resistant surface that resists warping or corrosion. The sliding feature allows for smooth and effortless transfer, thanks to its non-stick surface and gently beveled edge that easily slides under crusts without tearing them. This is ideal for pizzas, flatbreads, and even delicate pastries. The detachable wooden handle provides a secure grip while keeping your hands safely away from high heat. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, and the handle detaches easily for compact storage, a smart space-saving feature for modern kitchens. Product 4. Product name: Cordless Universal Rotisserie Kit. The Cordless Universal Rotisserie Kit is a versatile and innovative cooking accessory designed for grilling enthusiasts who enjoy slow-roasting meats without the hassle of electrical hookups. Built from durable stainless steel, this wind-up, non-electric spit roaster is compatible with a wide range of grills, ovens, and smokers, whether gas, charcoal, or even indoor setups. Ideal for outdoor cooking, camping, or backyard barbecues, this cordless rotisserie kit uses a mechanical wind-up mechanism to rotate your food evenly, ensuring juicy, flavorful results without needing batteries or power outlets. Its universal fit makes it adaptable to most barbecue setups, and the stainless steel construction ensures long-term durability and easy cleaning. Product 5. Product name: Narmer J2 Cold Press Juicer. The Narmer J2 Cold Press Juicer is a premium, user-friendly appliance designed for health-conscious individuals and home cooks who want maximum juice with minimal effort and waste. It features a unique self-feeding design with a wide-mouth hopper that allows users to load whole fruits and vegetables at once, ideal for hands-free, batch-style juicing. Unlike traditional juicers that require constant manual feeding and chopping, the Narmer J2 excels with its zero-waste masticating technology. This cold press system gently crushes produce at low speed to extract more juice and nutrients, leaving drier pulp behind for better efficiency and less waste. Cleanup and assembly are also standout features. The juicer's parts are intuitively designed for quick disassembly, making rinsing and reassembling a breeze, great for busy mornings or frequent use. The sleek, compact form factor also fits well in most kitchen spaces, aligning nicely with users interested in high-quality, well-designed kitchen tools. Product 6. Product name: Infrared Heating Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Infrared Heating Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that caters to modern home chefs seeking versatility, speed, and healthier cooking options. This extra-large countertop convection oven combines the power of infrared heating technology with 10-in-1 cooking functionality, serving as an air fryer, toaster, broiler, convection oven, and more. Key features include: infrared heating technology enables rapid heat-up and even cooking with less preheat time, ideal for crispy textures without excessive oil. 6-slice toast capacity, perfect for families, it handles everything from breakfast toast to multi-layer sandwiches. 10-in-1 versatility, offers multiple presets including air fry, bake, toast, broil, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, making it a true countertop culinary workhorse. Easy clean enamel baking pan, durable and non-stick, it simplifies cleanup after meals. Included recipe book, provides inspiration for creative cooking, whether you're air frying vegetables or baking desserts. Product 7. Product name: Wall Touch Screen Toaster. The Wall Touch Screen Toaster is a modern, feature-rich kitchen appliance designed to enhance your daily toasting experience with both style and functionality. In the context of high-quality, user-friendly household kitchen appliances, like those you've shown interest in, the Wall Toaster fits right in. This 2-slice stainless steel toaster features a sleek touch-screen interface, giving it a futuristic yet intuitive control system that replaces traditional knobs and buttons. Its digital timer allows precise control over toasting time, and the built-in sound function provides audible cues, making it easy to track your settings and toasting progress. Designed with extra-wide slots, it accommodates a variety of bread types including bagels, thick artisan slices, and frozen items. Product 8. Product name: Bread Slicer with Box. The Bread Slicer with Box is a practical and versatile kitchen tool designed for individuals who frequently bake or enjoy homemade bread, bagels, or cakes. This slicing guide features an adjustable width, allowing users to customize the thickness of each slice to their preference, whether they prefer thin cuts for sandwiches or thicker slices for toast. The foldable and compact design makes it easy to store, even in smaller kitchens, while its integrated crumb tray ensures that cleanup is quick and mess-free by collecting breadcrumbs during slicing. Constructed for stability and convenience, this slicer typically includes non-slip feet or a sturdy base to keep it in place while in use. Its compatibility with a wide range of baked goods makes it suitable not only for homemade bread, but also for bagels, cakes, and loaf-style pastries. The included box often doubles as both a crumb catcher and a storage or serving tray, adding to its multifunctionality. Product 9. Product name: Butter Churner Set. The Butter Churner Set is a charming and practical kitchen tool set designed for home cooks and DIY enthusiasts who enjoy creating homemade butter with ease. This set typically includes a durable glass churn jar with a secure lid, high-quality cheesecloth for straining, wooden paddles for kneading, and a wooden spreader knife, everything you need to transform cream into fresh butter right in your kitchen. In the context of your broader interest in baking tools and kitchen appliances, the Butter Churner Set complements a hands-on, artisanal cooking style. It's especially well-suited for those who value natural ingredients and traditional food preparation methods. Whether you're making cultured butter for sourdough baking or simply exploring homemade dairy products, this kit supports both functional use and rustic kitchen aesthetics. Its simplicity and tactile nature also make it a great teaching tool for kids or a thoughtful gift for food lovers. Pair it with other baking accessories for a fully equipped, wholesome kitchen experience. Product 10. Product name: East OAK Cordless Electric Lunch Box. The East OAK cordless electric lunchbox is a convenient, battery-powered food warmer designed especially for adults who want to enjoy hot meals anywhere without the need for a power outlet. Featuring a cordless design, this lunchbox uses an internal rechargeable battery with automatic heating functionality, making it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles such as office workers, travelers, or outdoor enthusiasts. It offers a generous 5.5 cups capacity with a removable tray divider, allowing users to separate different types of food easily. The portable food warmer heats meals evenly and quickly, ensuring your food stays warm and ready to eat whenever you want. Its cordless operation means you can use it comfortably in places where traditional electric lunch boxes can't, giving you ultimate flexibility. Product 11. Product name Instant Pot Duo. The Instant Pot Duo is a versatile 7-in-1 electric kitchen appliance that combines multiple cooking functions into one convenient device. It serves as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, warmer, and sterilizer, making it an all-in-one solution for a wide range of cooking needs. With a 6-quart stainless steel pot, it's ideal for families or meal prepping. What makes the Instant Pot Duo especially user-friendly is its companion app, which includes over 800 recipes to inspire and guide users through various meals and cooking techniques. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning, while the multiple preset cooking programs simplify meal preparation, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you want to quickly pressure cook a stew, slow cook a roast, steam vegetables, or make homemade yogurt, the Instant Pot Duo offers a reliable and efficient way to do it all with a single appliance. Product 12. Product name Revolving Countertop Spice Rack. The Kamenstein 20-jar revolving countertop spice rack is a sleek and practical kitchen accessory designed to keep your spices organized and easily accessible. Featuring a polished stainless steel frame with stylish black caps on the jars, this revolving rack holds 20 jars of spices, making it ideal for a wide range of cooking needs. The countertop design means it fits conveniently on your kitchen counter or tabletop, eliminating clutter and saving cabinet space. What sets this spice rack apart is that it comes with spices included and an exceptional offer of free spice refills for 5 years, ensuring you always have fresh seasonings on hand without extra cost. The revolving feature allows you to spin the rack smoothly to quickly find the spice you need, enhancing kitchen efficiency and convenience. Overall, the Kamenstein 20-jar revolving countertop spice rack combines style, functionality, and long-term value, making it a smart addition for home cooks who want an organized, attractive, and refillable spice storage solution. Product 13. Product name Electric Spin Scrubber. The Electric Spin Scrubber is a versatile, cordless cleaning brush designed to simplify and speed up tough cleaning tasks around your home and vehicle. Equipped with a digital display and 2 adjustable speed settings, it offers powerful scrubbing action tailored to various surfaces and grime levels. This scrubber comes with 8 interchangeable brush heads, making it highly adaptable for different cleaning needs, from bathroom tiles, tubs, and showers to car surfaces. The adjustable long handle enhances reach and ergonomics, allowing you to clean hard-to-access spots without strain. Built with an IPX7 waterproof rating, the Electric Spin Scrubber is safe to use in wet environments like showers and sinks, ensuring durability and ease of maintenance. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement without tangled cords or proximity to power outlets. Overall, this tool is an efficient and practical solution for thorough, effortless cleaning across multiple household and automotive surfaces. Product 14. Product name Stove Grease Splatter Screens Guard. The Stove Grease Splatter Screens Guard is a practical kitchen accessory designed to protect your cooking area from grease splatters and mess. This set includes 2 stainless steel splatter guards, each measuring 15.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches, making them large enough to cover standard stove burners effectively. These guards are crafted from durable stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting resistance to heat and easy cleaning. The metal panel construction acts as a reliable shield, preventing grease, oil, and food splatters from staining your walls, backsplash, and countertop surfaces while cooking. A key feature is the 2-sided foldable design, allowing the screens to be positioned upright around the stove or folded flat for convenient storage. This foldable splash shield can be easily adjusted to fit various stove sizes and cooking setups, making it versatile for different kitchen environments. Product 15. Product name: Over the Sink Colander Strainer Basket. The Make-A-Step Over the Sink Colander Strainer Basket is a versatile and practical kitchen gadget designed to streamline food preparation and cleanup. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this expandable colander fits securely over your kitchen sink, allowing you to rinse and drain fruits, vegetables, pasta, and more without extra mess. Key features include: expandable design, easily adjusts to fit most sink widths, providing a stable and spacious basket area for straining. Fine mesh stainless steel, the tightly woven mesh ensures even the smallest grains or chopped food are retained while water drains quickly. Rubber grip handles, equipped with non-slip rubber grips, the handles securely rest on your sink edges without scratching or slipping. Large capacity, offers ample space to handle larger quantities of food, making it ideal for busy kitchens and family meals. Product 16. Product name: Fruit and Vegetable Washing Bowl. The 2025 upgraded multifunctional fruit and vegetable washing bowl is a practical and innovative kitchen accessory designed to simplify and enhance the process of cleaning fresh produce. This 2-in-1 drainer container serves both as a washing bowl and a colander, featuring a bilayer collapsible design that saves space and adds convenience. Key features: multifunctional design, combines a washing bowl and a drainer basket in one, making it easy to wash fruits and vegetables and drain water efficiently without the need for extra utensils. Bilayer collapsible basket, the bowl's dual-layer construction includes an inner colander basket that fits perfectly inside the outer bowl. Both layers collapse for compact storage, ideal for kitchens with limited space. Handle and cover, equipped with a sturdy handle for easy carrying and a cover that protects produce during washing or storage, helping to keep items fresh and hygienic. Durable and lightweight, made from high-quality materials, it is sturdy enough for daily use yet lightweight for effortless handling. Product 17. Product name: Pepper Seed Corer Remover. The Pepper Seed Corer Remover, 2025 upgraded 2-in-1 bell pepper cutter and deseeder is a handy kitchen tool designed to make bell pepper preparation faster, easier, and less messy. This innovative gadget combines two essential functions in one. It efficiently cores out the seeds and removes the inner membranes of bell peppers while simultaneously slicing them cleanly. Its ergonomic design allows for effortless use, reducing the time and hassle typically involved in prepping peppers for cooking or salads. The bright green color adds a fresh, vibrant look to your kitchen tools, and its upgraded design in 2025 ensures improved durability and performance. Overall, it's an ideal tool for anyone looking to streamline meal prep with a practical, time-saving solution for deseeding and cutting bell peppers.